Hello student, myself Aishwarya Dhamnekar, lecturer in Department of Science and Humanities. I am dealing with your subject Engineering Maths 2. In this subject, you are having 6th chapter as Differential Equation. In this chapter, we are going to study definitions, order and degree, and how to eliminate the arbitrary constant from differential equation. Okay, so what is the definition for differential equation? An equation containing derivatives of dependent variable, independent variable and constant is called as differential equation. For example, we have given d square y divided by dx square raised to 3 plus 2 in the bracket dy by dx raised to 5 minus 8y is equals to 0. Okay, in this equation we are going containing independent variable, dependent variable as well as constant terms. Okay, so next we are having it is order. What do you mean by order? The highest order derivative present in differential equation is called as order of a given differential equation. It will be clear for you people when you are going to solve the examples. Okay, next we are having degree. The power of highest order derivative present in the differential equation is called as degree of that given differential equation. Okay, so we will solve 2-3 examples. Okay, then first example, find the degree and order of differential equation. So first is in the bracket d square y divided by dx square raised to 3 plus 2 dy by dx raised to 5 minus 8y is equals to 0. Now in this equation, which is the highest derivative? That is d square y divided by dx square. Okay, so what is the order of this equation? It is 2. So order is nothing but 2. Now degree. The highest power is 3, or which is the order 2. So power of the highest order, it is 3. So degree is equals to 3. Means here you have to check first order, then you can easily write the degree. Okay, now we'll go for the second example. Find the degree and order of differential equation. That is d cube y dx cube minus 8 d square y divided by dx square raised to 3 minus 7 dy by dx is equals to 0. Now you can see in this equation which is the highest derivative, that is d cube y divided by dx cube. So what is the order of this differential equation? It is 3, and directly you can write degree as 1 because power of the d cube y divided by dx cube is 1. So is it clear? Okay, so we'll go for the second example. It is find the degree and order of differential equation dy by dx is equals to root of 1 plus d square y dx square. Okay, so here we are having root. So to eliminate root, we have to square both the side. So squaring on both the side, dy by dx raised to 2 power is equals to root of 1 plus d square y divided by dx square the square. So here root and square root and 2 will get cancelled. So what is remaining? 1 plus d square y dx square. So what is the highest derivative is? D square y divided by dx square. So order will be 2. And what is the power of this highest derivative? 1. So degree will be 1. Is it clear now? First you have to check order, means which is highest derivative. Then power of that derivative is nothing but degree. Fine? Okay. Next we are having how to eliminate the arbitrary constant from the given differential equation. Okay, now first one, form a differential equation from y square is equals to 4ax by eliminating a. So the given equation is y square is equals to 4ax. From this given equation you have to eliminate a. So consider equation y square is equals to 4ax. Now consider this equation as number 1. Now differentiate this given equation with respect to x. Okay, so what is the differentiation of y square? 2y dy by dx is equals to, now 4a is a constant, right? And the differentiation of x with respect to x is 1. Okay, you can check it in the second step. Now next step, I've just interchanged it. So 4a is equals to 2y dy by dx. Now what is the value of 4a? 2y dy by dx. Now same value you have to substitute in equation number 1. So what is your equation number 1? Y square is equals to 4ax. Now y square is equals to, replace 4a by 2y dy by dx into x. Now you have to find the value of dy by dx. So just simplify here. Y square is equals to 2yx dy by dx. Now this, from the right hand side you are having 2yx. Bring it to LHS. So y square divided by 2yx is equals to dy by dx. Y square and below you are having y. So one y will get cancelled with one y. So what is remaining above? Y divided by 2x dy by dx. So rearrange it and then you can write dy by dx is equals to y divided by 2x. So you have eliminated the constant, that is a, from the given equation. So just to eliminate the arbitrary constant you have to differentiate first. Fine, then you can rearrange the given equation by replacing that constant. Now we'll go for the second example, that is eliminate the arbitrary constant a and b from the equation y is equals to a e raised to 2x plus b e raised to minus 2x. Now consider the equation y is equals to a e raised to 2x plus plus b e raised to minus 2x. Consider this equation as number 1. Now differentiate above equation with respect to x. So dy by dx is equals to differentiation of a e raised to 2x plus b e raised to minus 2x. Differentiate the above equation. So here a is a constant term, so it will remain as it is. But what is the differentiation of e raised to 2x? You have to write 2 first. So you can write it as 2a e raised to 2x. Then plus into minus, you are getting minus 2b e raised to minus 2x. This is nothing but your dy by dx. Then differentiate the above equation once again with respect to x. That is dy by dx. You have to again differentiate. So differentiation of dy by dx is equals to differentiation of 2a e raised to 2x minus 2b e raised to minus 2x. So d square y divided by dx square is equals to 2 into 2 is 4. So 4a e raised to 2x minus into minus it become plus. So plus 4 b e raised to minus 2x. Now from this equation you can take 4 as common factor. So 4 into the bracket you can write a e raised to 2x plus b e raised to minus 2x. Now check your equation number 1. It is same. So just replace the whole term by y. So d square y divided by dx square is equals to 4y. So you have eliminated a and b from the given equation. Now third one, eliminate the arbitrary constant a and b from the equation. It is y is equals to a sin x plus b cos x. So differentiate the given term with respect to x. So dy by dx is equals to differentiation of a sin x plus b cos x. So a is a constant, so write as it is. Differentiation of differentiation of sin will be cos x, plus differentiation of cos will be minus sin. So plus into minus is minus b sin x. Okay. So again differentiate the above equation with respect to x. So differentiation of dy by dx is equals to differentiation of a cos x minus b sin x is equals to, a is a constant, so write as it is. Differentiation of cos is minus sin x. So I have written minus a sin x minus b, differentiation of sin will be cos. So you can check in the next step, we have taken minus as common sign outside the bracket. So what is remaining in the bracket? A sin x plus b cos x. So this is nothing but your y. So minus y. Whole term we have replaced by y. So you can write it as d square y divided by dx square plus y is equals to 0. Again we have eliminated the constant a and b from the above equation. Right? So in the next session we will discuss how to solve the differential equation by the different method, that is variable separable and linear differential equation. Okay, thank you.